Today I'm going to make a man out of blocks. Okay, so the things that we need are like the base. So make your base like this so it can be extra secure. See, mine is extra secure on all sides. And of course, and here are the eyes of course we need for our man to see. Here's the body and here's the arms. Here's the hands. Here's the feet and here's the shoes. And here's the knees for to bend. It can bend, but it's still a man. And here's the hair. Here's the side. So here's the side of our man. And this is the mouth. This is the neck. Okay, so let's start making our man. First, take the base right over here. And push the other pieces and we can use them later. Then we start off with the legs. And put these knees on. Okay. So there might be not that much space, or you might want to put it on the edges. See? And we put these inside. It looks like that there's no piece for the shoes. And then we put the body. Okay, now we need the elbows. Okay. Yeah. I am fixing them on. And don't get confused of these sides. You see these? Don't put them like this. Put them like this, the other way. Okay. Now we start with the neck. The small, oh yeah, the arms. I forgot. Okay. And pause the video and do all the steps. Okay? Put these down below. Oh, so we got this part. You might see a mouth. Okay. We put this. We put the mouth on, and then the sides of the face. And then we put the eyes. They kind of look like masks. Okay. And next, the last and final piece, the head. Okay, let's put it in the middle. And here is our man. So look on the other side. And give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Bye.